Never met someone like you, felt something like your touch. I wish we would have met sooner.
On our backpacking trip to Japan, we had several types of accommodation, including hotels, hostels and rental homes for a short stay. In this video is a room tour of a room that was listed as a hostel in Tokyo, in a one-room mansion apartment style. It has one room and a compact bathroom. The space for the luggage is the entrance and under the bed. Now to the bathroom, as it is the most fascinating spot for first-time visitors in Japan like us. The masterpiece of a bathroom is here, of course, the modern Japanese toilet. In English, it is sometimes called the super toilet, and it is the world's most sophisticated toilet. While the toilet looks like a Western-style toilet at first glance, there are numerous additional features. These features can be accessed by a control panel attached to the seat or mounted on a nearby wall. After washing your hands in the adjacent sink, you can use the dirty water for the next flush. Genius. Simply genius. A Japanese futon is designed to be easily folded and stored away during the day, freeing up valuable space in typically compact Japanese homes. They say that in Japanese culture, the act of laying out and putting away the futon each day is often seen as meditative practice, a moment to transition between rest and activity. In the next episode, you'll see a room tour of a suburban guest house. Stay tuned.